Inhale on the way up. Keep inhaling. Keep centered in your feet as you expand the lungs in all directions. Then bring the forearms like they're coming closer together without tension. And then palms down the front on your exhalation. So inhale, continue to inhale as you raise. Inhale through the back as well as the front, sides as well. And then exhale as you come in and down. Good. Inhale, up and out. Very gentle. Exhale in and down. Good. Inhale, up and out. Exhale in and down. Good. So raise up. Keep your core engaged through the back as well, like you're expanding a balloon. Now it's like you are the balloon. So you feel the balloon, the inside of the balloon and the outside of the balloon. The inside of the arms, the chest, and the outside of the arms and the back. Not with excess tension. You want to harmonize the tension on the inside and the outside so that one is not more than the other. So you expand the bubble, rotate only to as much as your knee will allow, your knees and hips allow, without rolling the weight to the side of the foot. Keep the weight in the center of the foot. Keep relaxing the hips. Keep the back relaxed. Good. Spine goes up as the arms come down. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks for joining us for Morning Qigong. I'm Sally Chang of Evergreen Taiji Academy. See you online.